learn with Tutu. Let's learn fruits name.
Kiwi, kiwi, green and fuzzy, often used in salads, a healthy puzzle. Kiwi. Orange, orange, juicy and bright, often used in juice, a tasty delight. Orange. Pear, pear, sweet and round, often eaten on the ground. Pear.
Kiwi, so healthy. Wow, I love oranges. Pear is my favorite.